Is the need of the hour for India A. Look at that strike rate. Ho. This time the connection was good and the result even sweeter. In high stakes cricket, clarity is the most valuable currency here.
Leading run scorer now. That's the 206 of this tournament. What a hit. He hit it and it stayed. Flattish delivery coming on to the bat nicely. Probably Akbar Ali thought bring on the spinner because we've seen Vaibhav Sooryavanshi has struggled a little bit against spinners in the beginning. But he's trying to prove something here. Another big one. What a hit. That scares as well. 2 overs gone, 35 for none. India.
Vaibhav Sooryavanshi is the leading run getter of this DP World Asia Cup Rising Stars 2025, 234. And he's on song at the moment. India A need him. They're inches of 195 and he has provided the start they needed.
Akbar Ali, the Bangladeshi captain, taking a leaf out of Jitesh Sharma's book, trying to slow the proceedings. We saw Jitesh Sharma after 3 overs. Something happened to his muscle where he was trying to slow the proceedings, I feel. And that is exactly the Bangladeshi skipper. Akbar Ali is done bringing on the spinner. Merob, who went for 16 in his first over. Ripon went for 19 of his first over. Ripon has been now replaced. Jishan Alam is going to be the bowler. He's a part-time off-spin. Priyansh. Yeah, that's the best thing to do because the kind of form that Vaibhav is in and the kind of mood that Vaibhav Sooryavanshi is, great room for himself. He's got this 6-hitting ability.
Down the leg side. Prior to his delivery, Akbar Ali, the skipper of Bangladesh, asked Jishan Alam to bowl wider and drag back the length.
Jishan, good bowling.
It's not a bad move, even though Jishan Alam is a part-time spinner. Not giving speed to these batters. How often do we see the captains doing that? Bringing on the spinners early on.
Goes up and over. Oh, what a shot. That is a cracking stroke from Priyansh Arya. All the way for maximum. Timing to perfection.
It's like telling Vaibhav Sooryavanshi that I'm not going to sit back and just watch you. You got to watch me as well. That's a beautiful shot. Got into that position so quickly. Trying to bowl quicker with the bowler.
Gives it a charge. Priyansh Arya taking on Jishan Alam. Back-to-back sixes for Priyansh and India A.
He scored 3 tens so far. The 3 innings that he's played so far, he scored 10, 10 and 10. So this is his highest score so far in this tournament. Lovely use of the feed. Oh, well timed. Beautiful timing that.
I like his composure. Yeah, he's not amongst the runs, but he came up with a positive frame of mind when needed the most for India A. Good comeback, a quicker dot ball to finish the over. Nevertheless, a big one for India A again. After 3, they are 49 without loss. Just the type of start India would have hoped for in chase of 195. They are 49.